Okay, so now we are going to learn how to use the replication function. The replication function. Let me share my screen. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like the videos. Help us to share the videos to your friends. Tell them they can learn Arrow. Arrow is easy. You can learn Arrow for free. And you should also subscribe to this YouTube channel. So now we're going to learn how to use the replication function. Now, if I want to replicate, let's say I want to replicate 200 times, and I don't want to start writing 200 times. How will I do it in Arrow? So we use Arrow EP to do the replication function. So I want to learn. So this is it. Okay, so Arrow EP. So this, how to write it. You write your X and the number of times you want to replicate it. Okay, so how to replicate. So the first example I said, I want to replicate 200 times. So that's it. I'm able to do 200 times. So what if I have two numbers that I want to replicate? So I can do replicate. Then you start with C because I have two numbers. Lowercase c. If you use uppercase C, it will not work. So let's say I have 2 and 8, and I want to replicate both 4 times. So this is how it is: 2, 8, 2, 8, 2, 8, 2, 8. But what if I want? What if I want 2 to appear first, like all the 2's first before all the 8s? So how will I do it? All the 2's first before all the 8s. I will do each equal to 4. So this is it. You can check it from the help function. So this is it. So if you want all the 2's to appear first, then followed by all the 8 is how to do it. So if you have more than 2 numbers, you also follow this procedure. So let's say I have 2, I have 8, I have 10, I have 4. And I want to replicate all of them 4 times. So 2 will be replicated 4 times first, 8 will be replicated 4 times, 10 will be replicated 4 times, 4 will be replicated 4 times. So I will write rep REP, then I will start with my C, indicating I'm using more than one object, more than one number. So 2, 8, 10, 4, each will be replicated 4 times. So that's it, 2. But if I want it to come this way, 2, 8, 10, 4, 2, 8, 10, 4, all I have to do is to delete the each. I have to delete the each. No. 4 times. So that's it. So I delete the each. So it will be 2, 8, 10, 4, 2, 8, 10, 4. So this is how to use the replication function like REP to replicate numbers. Okay, so what if I want to replicate, let's say I have 2, 3, 4, but I don't want to replicate all of them equally. So I have REP, I have 2, let's say 4 and 6, but I don't want to replicate them all equally. So I want to replicate 2 5 times. I want to replicate 4 1 time, and I want to replicate 6 3 times. So this is how to do it. So the first object you write in the REP function will be the numbers you want to replicate. Then the next object you write in the REP function is the number of times you want to replicate it. So now if you start with a C and you put the numbers you want to replicate it, Arrow will understand what you are communicating. Arrow will know that 5 here is the number of times it will replicate 2. Arrow will know that 1 is the number of times it will replicate 4. Arrow will know that 3 is the number of times it will replicate 6. So that's how to do it. So let's try another example. So I have 7, 8. So let me write replicate 7 4 times. Replicate 4 3 times, replicate 12 2 times, replicate 9 6 times. So how will I do it? I'll use REP. I'll start with my C and write all the numbers I want to replicate. So the first number is 7, the next number is 4, the next number is 12, and the last number is 9. Then I will write the number of times I want arrow to replicate it. So arrow replicate 7 4 times, replicate 4 3 times, replicate 12 2 times, and replicate 9 6 times. So this. Are we seeing it? So 7 was replicated 4 times, 4 replicated 3 times, 12 replicated 2 times, and 9 replicated 6 times. So this is how to use the replication function. Thank you. Bye.